To clean your lashes, you're going to need a bowl, a spoolie, tweezers, and alcohol and water. I just have them both mixed in this bottle. You need your dirty lashes, of course. These are just from the creme shop. They're pretty nasty, as you can see. And I'm also going to be doing my Lilly lashes. So this step is good for high-end or drugstore lashes. You will need a sheet of paper towel. Just place it down. Now get ready to take your lashes and you just one pair at a time, 2 pairs, it all depends, your personal preference. If you think you might mix them up, then just do one at a time. And besides glue, you can also see there's some glitter, there's eyeshadow, so we want all of that off. So now just go ahead and place them in the empty bowl. You can use any bowl. And I'm gonna take my other pair and just dump them in. The reason I'm taking both of these is because the style is really different and I'm able to tell them apart. Now I'm going to take my bottle mixed with alcohol and water and I'm just going to start spraying them in the bowl. I don't want to put a lot, just enough to cover them completely. I am going to let them sit there for about 1 hour, just giving them a good shake. Obviously, the dirtier they are, it's best to leave them longer. And in general, if you have more time, just leave them a bit longer, maybe overnight, or if you want to leave them for 3 hours, but I'm just leaving it for 1 here. Okay, about 30 minutes have passed and I'm just checking on them and you can already see some of the gunk loosening up. Okay, now that my timer went off, I'm going ahead and just taking the tweezer, grabbing it gently and putting it on the bounty. I'm just gonna show you here all the gunk, all that glue that is stuck there, and we're very gently going to take it off. You could either do it with your nails, with the tweezers, and I'm just patting it down a bit. Whatever method you choose, just be extremely gentle. Very few lashes should fall off, but it's completely normal. Make sure when you're pulling, you're doing it very gently and you take your time. You do not want to ruin the lash. And I'm taking all the glue that I'm pulling off and just putting it on one side of the bounty. As you see, this is just one lash and look how much glue we've taken off. I can't stress the point to do it extremely gentle, and it looks weird right now because it's wet, but you'll see the results. Now we're moving on to the second pair, and these are the ones from the creme shop. As you can see, these are very dirty. Here I'm showing you how I do this with my nails as well. Just be very gentle. If you don't have tweezers, it's fine, it works just as good. And the longer you leave them soaking, the easier the glue will just look at all of that. And you're gonna feel so good watching all of them come off and having your lashes nice and new, fresh looking. They're gonna feel so good on, they're gonna stick much better, and you're gonna be able to use them for so many more times. And before we go rinse the bowl, I just want to show you some of the stuff that came out here. We have some glue, you see glitter, eyeshadow, probably some mascara. So let's go ahead and dump this out. We're going to give it a good rinse. We're just gonna fill it back up, but this time only with water. You just want to fill it enough to cover the lashes. Now that we have some fresh water, you're going to take the lashes, put them back inside, let them sit for about 15 minutes. I'm just going to give them a good swirl, make sure they're nicely coated. And we can go ahead and throw away this dirty Bounty. We're going to take a fresh new sheet, just place it down. And if for any reason you don't feel comfortable taking them out yet, or you feel like they're still dirty, go ahead and repeat the process until they're nice and clean and you are content. Alright, I'm going to remove them from the water. Now what we're going to do is take a look at them, make sure we're happy with them. I'm placing them on our clean Bounty, and this is when we're going to go ahead and use our spoolie. It's hard here because I'm doing it with one hand to show you, but you're basically just combing them through. So when they dry, they have the nice shape, they are nice and fluffy, and if there's any extra dirt there, it should be coming off, especially if you put mascara on them. And you're gonna see the difference how it looks before combing it out, and the other side will be still wet, as you can see. So you just want them to dry out nicely. The same here for my other pair, just combing them through. And as I'm showing you here, you have brand new lashes that you're probably going to be able to use so many times with good care. So I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you out. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!